What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the LG 70-inch 4K Smart TV Model 70UN. I did buy this TV from Best Buy for $5.99. I will have links in the description below if you are interested in purchasing. Having said that, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, this is the front of the box of the TV. On the top left corner you can see the model number 70UN70. They advertise real 4K, quad-core processor, and unlimited entertainment. On the top right corner of the box you can see the size of the TV. Just below that you see some of the apps that are available. This TV is also compatible with Apple AirPlay and Apple HomeKit. Alright, so we're going to start opening it up. We have these two plastic strips on each side and we have some tape on the top. When you first open the box, you'll see the TV stands. You have two of them. Next, we also have a power cable. And then lastly, we have, it looks like, the remote and some paperwork. After removing the styrofoam at the top, you can see the TV surrounded by more styrofoam. So now all we have to do is lift up the box. So we'll just take off the styrofoam. Alright guys, here's a quick look at the back of the TV. We have 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. Quick look around. Here you can see the screen. Massive. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys the setup process of the TV. So we're going to go ahead and power it on. We're going to go ahead and let it load up. So the first thing it's asking is to press the OK button, which is the middle one in between all the arrows. So we're going to go ahead and do that. This next screen is asking us to select our language, country, and time zone. Once you have selected yours, go down and then hit next. This next prompt is asking if you want to keep audio guidance turned on. This is if you're visually impaired. I'm going to go ahead and hit no. Now we're in the internet and device connection menu. I'm just going to go ahead and hit next for this one. Now it's asking to connect our TV to our Wi-Fi. So we're going to hit select and then find our Wi-Fi name, enter your password. Now that we're connected, we're going to hit next. Next, it's going to ask you to accept the terms and conditions. Hit next, agree all, more, agree. On this screen, you'll be asked what way you're going to watch TV, whether it's cable, satellite, antenna, or neither. So I'm going to go ahead and hit I don't have a TV service, hit next. Enter your zip code. Here you'll be asked to download the LG ThinQ app on your mobile device if you want to control your AI devices from your TV, such as air conditioners, robot cleaners, and so on. We're going to go ahead and hit next. Now it's asking us if we want to get started with any of these 3 TV services. We're going to go ahead and hit close, and that should be it. So you'll be taken to the IP channels that the TV comes with, which is basically just some free channels that comes with the TV. If you hit the home button, you'll see all the different apps and like the smart TV aspect of the actual TV itself. As you can see here, we have Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hulu, so you can sign into any of these services. We also have the LG content store in here where you can go ahead and download some of these apps as well. But that basically sums up the video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.